test? Again? Ugh. This formula gives me a headache every time.
It's troubling the girl? Don't worry, you can actually do it super easily with Microsoft Excel.
Let me show you how! So quick lang! The chi-square test is used para malaman if there is a significant relationship between two categorical variables, like gender and type of car preference.
So our question is, does gender affect the type of chosen car? Let's find out.
So the formula goes like this. Observed value minus expected value squared divided by expected value. But let's be real, doing this manually? Oh come on, it's super time consuming.
So, let's make it faster and smarter using Microsoft Excel. Oh, but before anything else, make sure you have the real statistics add-in installed sa Microsoft Excel, okay? Cause without it, you can't use the built-in chi-square functions. Super easy lang i-install. Step 1. Open your browser and search Real Statistics Resource Pack Excel. Step 2. Scroll down and click Download Real Statistics Resource Pack. Piliin kung 32-bit or 64-bit version ng Excel mo. Step 3. Open the zip file, extract it, then open Excel. Step 4. Sa Excel, go to File and Options and Add-ins and go. Click Browse, hanapin yung file na realstats.xlam, then press OK. Step 5. Check RealStats, click OK, and done! You will now see the Real Statistics tab sa Excel mo. Super easy, right? Now, let's start using chi-square in Excel. Step 1. Enter your observed data. So, ito na po yung ating mga data. After that, just click Ctrl and M simultaneously. Then makikita nyo po itong mga statistic table and find the miscellaneous tools or the Mae S. Click lang po natin to and find the chi-square test for independence. First, input the range from here to here. Then, check the Fisher exact test to find the p-value. Then, for the simulation test, the chi-square. And of course, the output range kung saan lalabas po yung results. Just click po ito. Then, okay. Ayan. After ilang seconds, ayan na po yung sagot sa ating problem. So, andito po yung expected values, the chi-square test, and of course, the Fisher exact test wherein the p-value is equal to 1. So, complete na po siya. Ayan. Same lang po siya dito. So, if the p-value is equal to 1, our decision is, since p is equal to 1 and p is greater than 0.05, then accept the null hypothesis. There is not enough evidence to support the claim that the choice of core is dependent to gender. Ayan! In just a few seconds, sobrang dali lang mahanap yung sagot, yung complete na answer sa ating problem.
And that's it! That's how you do a chi-square test in Microsoft Excel. Quick, easy, and accurate. No more manual stress. Just smart research with technology.